Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can see the amount of photos in your camera roll on iPhone. So if you want to see the total amount of photos in your camera roll, excluding videos and other things like GIFs, then here's how to do it. So we all know that when you have your album tabs right here, that under the name of the album it will say this number, and enter the total number of videos, photos and GIFs in that album. However, to only see the amount of photos you have, literally all you need to do is open any album, and once you're here at that album, what you can do is you simply scroll a little bit down. So I just did that. I want to scroll down a little bit, and then you will see right here I have 452 photos in my gallery and 117 videos. So that's basically how you can see the amount of photos in my camera roll on the iPhone. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.